Kia ora whānau. Another wonderful Friday in the rain. That's what this is. So just done our first pickup. 11 heifers and 39 lambs. So this is a same day kill for A&P. It is 7:15 in the morning. Loaded in about 10 minutes flat, so that was good. Another bridge that scares the shit out of me. Get a trailer in this place, but I'd rather the trailer fall through the bridge than the truck, that's for sure. No thanks. So your nut trailer's just out here on the road. Beautiful. Didn't need to take the trailer in there, just a waste of time and energy. Lift the ring feeder up. Beautiful weather. Horied up some mud flaps on the weekend. Oh fuck, it's Friday. Oh, I had a couple of days off, so had a washout day and a mud flap day, so it feels like a weekend to be honest, but it wasn't. That'll do it. Yeah. Don't mind the rubbish. It's another good thing about these Scanias is that little button on the dash to lift the airbags up lifts the weight off the stand. Boom. Easy. It's down. Just pissing down, boys. Fuck. Soaked. Whew. Into it. So yeah, this is Old Kuiper Road. In the Kuipera Flats, and that's gonna lead us to Woodcocks Road. Either that or West Coast Road, I don't know, something like that. Smoke it over West Coast Road onto 16 down to Putakai, another 24 stairs, and then yeah, and then there's another 5 that the old man's gonna round up. Roger. Then we'll be off to Scania to get a price on a new lorry. See what our options are for this thing. I mean, if we have to, we'll keep it, but it's still worth something at the minute, so yeah, be nice to keep her rolling along. Some of y'all would have seen she dropped an injector last week, week before, one of the two, and yeah, just sitting at a set of lights. Just left the abattoir, come to the first set of lights, she starts shaking. It's like, what the fuck? So yeah, running on 7 cylinders, and yeah, that was that. Honestly, I couldn't find anywhere to pull over. Everywhere I tried, I got blocked from entering somehow, so I ended up parking on the truck lane on the on-ramp at Mount Wellington there, so plenty of room, just not ideal. The tow truck in, and yeah, lucky it did no damage or didn't hydrolock it or anything. It could have been bad. But yeah, it turns out that whole wiring loom on that side for the injectors was toast, so it's been cut and rejoined a few times, and yeah, threw that in the trash. It's always something, eh? Yep, West Coast Road it is. Begins right here. So yeah, like I said, truck's pretty well loaded, can't do anything with it now. 40 odd 39 lambs up top, and yeah, just a 3 in the front pen and then 2 4s of heifers, and then yeah, have to load the arse out of the trailer. So yeah, this road's a good challenge. Throws a lot of the oddball drivers, if you will, off when they have to come this way back in the day. This would end up being like the main detour road when the old State Highway 1 was closed due to a fatal or whatever. That did happen once. I'm sure it was the beginning to a long weekend a couple of years ago. Yeah, family, I think it was a family or someone lost their lives anyway on the old State Highway 1, and yeah, this ended up being the detour route, and there was truck and trailers all over it, and fuck yeah, a doozy. I think lambs from Tuaco sale, so yeah, I was delivering them all afternoon on my way back up here, and yeah, heard State Highway 1 was closed. Now I had to come this way, didn't I? That was fun. Like, all this was just stopped, like cars just parked, trucks, trailers, and try to get around these corners. Good fun. Like, there was no other way, just you had to run the curbs over and shit, eh? It was nuts. Cars beeping at you and shit. Bloody hell. Where'd that cone go there? Oh, yep. could be interesting. Very. Fuck me. And she's going up the curb. Fuck's sakes. Not the best experience. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus. Good time to have the GoPro on, I suppose. Hey? Wouldn't want to have much longer trailer than mine going around there. Fucking hell. Beautiful. Been a bit quiet the last few weeks, fellas. I think everyone has been for a while, but it's only just starting to hit us now. Well, the sales have been quiet. Cattle prices are through the roof, so we haven't had stuff out of the sales for probably a good couple of months now. And yeah, just local trade work stuff pumping still. Beautiful. I must say, cheers everyone for all the comments and that, because fuck, it's crack up reading them, eh? Straight up. They're all good fellas. Good. I would say it, but I'm trying to stop. Good C words. Oh, now I know a lot of kids watch my videos, so I feel quite bad when I replay them. I'm like, shit, bro. Shouldn't be saying that stuff, but oh well. Is what it is. If you want to bubble wrap your kids, and so be it. But they'll get a hell of a shock when they go to school, I'll tell you that much. You know, I had a few of the bros come up to me and say hi and shit. I'm not really one for, you know, as a general rule, if I don't know you, I'll talk to you, but I won't, like, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Just pretty quiet. But you know, always up for a yarn if someone comes over, but you wouldn't see me doing it often, starting it. Getting way better though, fuck. If anyone knew me back in the day, I was like the little kid in the background, like didn't say a word, didn't have to, didn't need to. Just chilled, bro. But you know, way better than I used to be, obviously. Yeah, a couple of the bros from Nationwide and One from Carly's. I always forget names, so don't hate on me. I'm bad with names. Always have, always will be. But yeah, good bastards. Come up for a yarn and that, so fuck off, dickhead. I don't know what it is with people and cutting the centre line, bro. If you can't see around the corner, don't fucking cut the line. Damn, how hard is it? Well, to be honest, it's illegal to cut the fucking corner anyway, so learn some lane discipline, bro. Damn. I mean, I'm all for making a corner smoother than it is, if you know what I mean, like making your lines good and whatnot, but bro, if you can't see around the corner, why are you cutting it? You know? Anyway. Since when did Trucker Steve 14's channel become a moaning channel? Now. Old grizzle guts, eh? Fuck. It's good with lambs up top, you don't need to worry about anything. If you roll it like this, you're being an absolute muppet. That's for real. Old heifers are happy back there, they're not banging off the walls. It's good. Loaded nice and light. So you know, just waiting for the weather to get better, homies. I might invest in a drone as well. That would be pretty cool. Get some good bloody shots out south here, I'll tell you that. Out at my favourite client's farm. Next to Neil Waller's. If anyone knows where that is, right out the end of South Head. They're all good bastards out there. So you know, we'll make a video of that one day. Coming up soon. I think they've got cattle going either this week or next week, so hopefully the sun's out. Roger. What else can I talk about? Don't know. Need to make lists when I'm doing this shit, eh? Since you fellas want me to talk my ass off. Shit. Damn. Fence is looking a bit sad. What about the bloody state the country's in at the moment, eh? Far. Seen somewhere we lost over 100,000 people to Aussie and other countries lately. I don't know if that was bullshit or not, but I wouldn't be surprised. Someone commented that it was like 15 people an hour for the year leaving New Zealand. Because yeah, I don't know about you fellas, but this business is dropping left, right and centre, so not good. Not good at all. And it is tough times out there, you know, like fuck, it's tiring as fuck just working your ass off just to survive, you know? Like bloody hell. Like we've been almost 2 years now on the stock trucks, and every single month is still, oh, what can we pay this month and what has to wait till next month, you know? Crazy shit. I suppose especially with trucking, like all the roads beat the trucks to shit. You know, pay ridiculous amounts for diesel, road users, regos, it all adds up. COFs end up being stupid money every bloody 6 months. Not ideal. But what do you do? We still enjoy it, so we ain't broke yet. Tell you what, for the owner drivers in the stock truck industry went tits up. Whew. Should be a changing landscape, that's for sure. It's not easy. You know, like the other day when this dropped an injector, I was thinking the worst, like, you know, it's dropped a piece onto the piston and the piston's toast, you know, you just start thinking about it. It was pumping diesel and oil out the manifold. So we thought it was probably just, you know, diesel and carbon mixed up. And yeah, the old mind starts racing, boy. Shit, we're toast here. We're up for a motor job. But nah, we got lucky. Good old Scania. She my baby, this one. Old BLT #1, this unit. The cream can. Oh shit. Fuck. Don't think I started early enough, eh? I'm gonna be pushing it for time. Something I said to the old man the other day, it's like pressure keeps you going, you know? If you don't have pressure like a mortgage or, you know, bills to pay every month and whatnot, you don't need motivation when you have pressure, because you just have to go and do it. You gotta go to work and slug it out. Do everything the right way, and you know. And there's all these fellas ram raiding shops, and bro, straight up, the Mangawai ones that got done not long ago, a couple of weeks ago, fuck, it's cold in here. Damn. So Antarctica. Yeah, those little homos did all the Mangawai shops. Found their Instagram account out of chance. I think the missus family, well, you know, someone found it and passed it through, so we all had a look at it, and all their stories on Instagram are like just bags of cash and shotguns and vapes and cigarettes, like bags of them. Fuck me, bro. Stealing cars all the time. Fuck. Weapons. They seem to live the life literally like a like a carry bag full of cash. Lovely. Meanwhile, us fellas work our ass off and they come and steal all our shit while we're asleep. Beautiful. I did hear that the dickhead that stole my mud flaps, because I know exactly who it is. I know exactly what truck 2 of them are on. In fact, you know what? Name and shame. I'll put it right here. Fuck yes. Fucking hell. Yeah. It sounds like the cops got to them. It's a group of them around Welsford stealing tractors and shit. Diesel. All sorts. So, you know. Karma, brother. She'll get you. I hope. If karma doesn't, someone else will. What a beautiful day. Beautiful New Zealand weather. We love it here. Oh. So, you know, as I said, not jumping into a new truck just yet, but we'll get one priced up. Probably just a cab and chassis and a whack a deck on it, and you know, just do it the cheap way for now. Then we can whack a new trailer behind it at some point, but it's still gonna break the bank. But I mean, this done 800,000 just about, so be good to get rid of it now. Poor old girl. It's done us well for the last 2 years just about, so very happy with, you know, Scanias and the service they provide. Saying that, those fellas up in Whangarei honestly could not get better people, eh? Old Leanne and Ben, everyone, good bastards, I tell ya. They've looked after us like insanely well since day one, eh? And Scania in general, like when this dropped a clutch, it was back. Like, I'm pretty sure it happened on Thursday night. We had it back by Monday. Or Saturday we picked it up, one of the two. So, you know, couldn't ask for more than that, really. So, you know, those fellas up in Whangarei, like, you know, they pretty much sold a truck the second we walked in there. They were that good to us, so, you know, that speaks for itself, really. Besides that, me and the old man are just Scania fanboys anyway, always have been, so. You just couldn't get a better truck for our work. That's plain and simple. That's it. Oh, Shit. Let this fella go. Why not? Oh, this is what happens. You pull over and then just a non-stop flood of cars. Nah, more so in the long weekends, eh? She gets fucking bad. Not so much now. Like, this road used to pump when the old state highway one that Walkworth was going. You had a long weekend and this was just painful to drive. Highway 1 was even worse, funny enough. It's just gridlocked. But you'd always get some bloody wank staying in a camper van or something that will never pull over, or horse float, or, you know. Go pheasant, go. Oh, team, I think I'll just leave this as a unedited vlog, if you will. That'll do. Like I said, videos coming up soon. You know, we'll get into it. Don't worry about that. But just, you know, my truck looked hoary. It still does because I haven't washed it in months, and the whole unit's going for a COF soon, so she'll be scrubbed up for that, and then hopefully the rain stop by then. Get back to having a clean truck for once this year. It would be nice. So I don't really have a water blaster set up. Everyone calls me a lazy cunt, but bro, you know how quick we jumped into this business? It was like rush, rush, rush. We don't have a yard. So yeah, nah, it's all good, homies. We'll sort it. It's all in time. It's just survival. Yeah, roger. That's it, boys. I'll catch you on the next one. Roger.